What's happening, YouTube? Today we got an install interview, and it's going to be on my 2008 Dodge Charger. It's going to be a grill, and we got some headlights also. Let's get to it real quick. So my original grill had, like, I guess police lights in it because it's a detective version, right? And with that, there's like missing chunks out of the grill. So I'm like, instead of just leaving it as is, because it looks hella ugly, I bought an aftermarket grill to install in it, right? To change the look up, make it look a little bit more aggressive. So that's what this is right here. These parts did come from eBay, and honestly, it wasn't too expensive. The grill was like $55. The headlights, 100 something. I think under 150. So it wasn't bad at all. Let's see. I like how they package it up to make sure there's no damage on it, which is hella good. Let's see, get this right here. Get this right. Oh, this looks clean. It's like a glossy black. This thing is gonna look clean on the Charger. It's gonna add a whole new aggressive look to it, especially along with the headlights. Like, that's crazy. Like, this looks real good. I can't wait to see the before and after pictures of the car because I know it's gonna look completely different. So we'll see. Let me sit this right so it doesn't fall and break. I hate for that to happen. And now let me get the headlights and I'll unbox that too. Alright guys. Now we got the headlights. This box is hella big. And the box, it says Spec D tuning. I feel like it's probably drop shipped because the people I got it from on eBay, that was not their name. So they probably just drop shipped it from wherever and then sent it on out. But hopefully it's a cool product. Hopefully these lights work out pretty good. I know some people have issues with aftermarket lights, installing them and them not working and needing certain adapters and shit like that. So hopefully it's a one and done type of thing. Just like plug and play. But we will see when we get to the install part. As you can see, this is how they pack them up. 2 lights. They put an L and an R for left and right. I'm gonna make sure not to mix that up. Although it's pretty hard to put lights on the wrong way. But I'm sure somebody has done it. Oh, I cut myself. I went too far with the knife, but whatever. Let's keep it going. Deal with that later. After I bleed out all over the damn lights. Pop this open. Okay, so it looks like we might have to do some work because I see some adapters. Or, fuck, forgot what you call these. T adapters or something like that. I can't remember. But I've seen them before. Oh man, look at this. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. But nothing we can't handle. Let's see. I love how they package it so it doesn't get damaged. I love that. And we got the halo lights. these along with that grill, it's gonna change the whole look of the car. It's gonna be lit. But look at this, remove. I wonder what this is. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, so we gotta adapt this all up, and then we should be straight to get them running in the car. But man, look at that. That is clean. It has the halo rings and it has the top LEDs in it. Oh man, it's gonna be crazy. What I noticed when that on the backside where it says remove, there's no bulb on this one right here. So I will figure that all out and see what's going on. But damn, I need to go handle this because I am bleeding like crazy all over this stuff. I literally got blood on the headlight. All right, let me go handle that. I'll be back with the install.
You sitting beat nothing, I'm still in the streets. Sometimes I'm trying to get good. Watch them niggas fold, bitch, you couldn't play they role on my own.
It was tricky, I was trying to get low. I felt guilty asking mama for shoes. Weekends at my dad's house, granny face on the news. So when I knew that LAPD is shoot, my immediate roots had me wrestling a demon or two. Pops left, I said I'm leaving with you. Used to cry when you dropped me off. Broken home, left a lot of scars. How I chose to deal with it almost got me washed. It was tricky, I'm just trying to get low. I got comfortable with something I was trying to refuse. You take blows and you liable to bruise. Play this game and you liable to lose. Told me nigga go and get it, bring it back and then divide with your crew. When you went on your terms, you redefining the rules. At this point, I ain't got nothing to prove. It's extra credit how I'm busting these moves.
You sitting beat nothing, I'm still in the streets. Sometimes I'm trying to get good. Watch them niggas fold, bitch, you couldn't play they role on my own, but it's still
It was tricky, I was trying to get low. I felt guilty asking mama for shoes. Weekends at my dad's house, granny face on the news. So when I knew that LAPD is shoot, my immediate roots had me wrestling a demon or two. Pops left, I said I'm leaving with you. Used to cry when you dropped me off. Broken home, left a lot of scars. How I chose to deal with it almost got me washed. It was tricky, I'm just trying to get low. I got comfortable with something I was trying to refuse. You take blows and you liable to bruise. Play this game and you liable to lose. Told me nigga go and get it, bring it back and then divide with your crew. When you went on your terms, you redefining the rules. At this point, I ain't got nothing to prove. It's extra credit how I'm busting these moves.
You sitting beat nothing, I'm still in the streets. Sometimes I'm trying to get good. Watch them niggas fold, bitch, you couldn't play they role on my own.
So the car turned out hella good. It looks really unique now. There's not many Chargers out that looks like it. I've been driving it for about a month now. I've only seen like one other Charger that had a similar grill. 0 Chargers with the same headlights. So it's a dope new look on the vehicle. It was pretty straightforward with the wiring. I made a short on how to wire it up correctly and check that one out. It should help you out. It should be pretty easy to follow along. Another thing is the remove tag. The remove tag with that, that's where your parking lamp from your old headlight goes. So you put that right there where that is. I did have to shave and try to scrape some stuff out with a knife just in order to fit it in snugly and fit properly because the holes weren't aligned properly for the bulb to fit in there. So I did that. Everything got in situated pretty smooth. I definitely recommend this upgrade. Your Charger's gonna look nice. You're gonna kill it at the car shows. This is gonna be part 1 of the Charger series. I'm gonna do something else next with it. I'm not sure what. Stay tuned. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you like it or not. If it adds a dope look. If it doesn't. If you think it's trash. Just say so. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Also, I think I'm gonna do fog lights on it because I don't like how they look old and hazy while the headlights look brand new and the grill brand new. I need new fog lights on there. I kind of want to do some like HIDs or LEDs or something like real clean and nice looking. So we'll see. I'm gonna find something, throw it on the car. But yeah, appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. This thing is clean. I love it. I'm about to kill him at the car show. Everybody about to be hating when I pull up. I got a clean Charger with a new grill and new headlights. Oh yeah, I'm telling this one. 2024 is mine. I did not see y'all. My fault. I'm just talking about my 2024 plans with this clean Charger. Cause I done killed it. I killed it with this facelift.